To convert a farmer's hard work into money, he needs to handle the operations of weeding and harvesting efficiently. Stihl's multi-application brush cutter is the farmer's most trusted companion in accomplishing these tasks speedily and efficiently. Two-stroke, power-packed Stihl engines make these brush cutters powerful, robust, efficient, durable and reliable. High engine RPM means high cutting speed, better efficiency and productivity. This ensures that Stihl brush cutters complete more work in less time. Robust and merchantable components add to the performance and quality of Stihl brush cutters. Due to its master lever control, all operations are in one hand, ensuring operator comfort and safety. The high fuel efficiency of Stihl engines enables these brush cutters to perform various tasks like mowing and gathering grass of any kind, cutting all types of grasses and bushes, harvesting, weeding and soil cultivation economically, ensuring profitable farming and prosperity for the farmers. The saying by Aristotle, "Well begun is half done," is also true in the case of farming. Land preparation is therefore an important function and a challenging one too, especially when the soil is tough. For performing this task efficiently, farmers can now rely on the Stihl Intercultivator BC230 that is operated by the powerful and fuel-efficient Stihl engine. This is a perfect solution for tillage in agriculture, as it prepares the field by chopping and slicing compacted chunks into soft planting soil. The Stihl tiller helps you cultivate deeper into the soil, enabling you to take control over the weeds after planting. This high-performance machine has a working depth of 75 mm and working width of 250 mm. The ergonomically designed gas handle results in better grip and effortless work. Prepare your land with the Stihl Intercultivator and get ready for a great farming season ahead. Stihl Krishi Upkaran. Digging holes for plantation is a cumbersome and time-consuming job that is made easy with the help of the Stihl Earth Auger. This compact, power-packed one-man earth auger delivers extraordinary performance. This versatile machine is a perfect solution for large planting projects, post-hole digging, fence installation, environmental restoration and construction projects. Its compact size and robust support frame make it highly portable, drilling holes up to a depth of 12 inches, aided by a 10% higher torque than other augers in its class. The drilling dimensions can be extended to 300 millimeters. The robust carrying structure made from powder-coated steel gives it additional durability, while the closed frame handle guarantees maximum protection. Trust the Stihl Earth Auger to save your time, labor and money to plant more profitability in your farm. Water is the soul of farmland. Trust the Stihl water pump with this important task to get fabulous results and total peace of mind. Fitted with a high-performance Stihl engine, the WP230 water pump gives you maximum power and pumps up to 250 liters of water per minute up to a conveying height of 50 meters. A tube size of 1.5 inches helps to draw a large amount of water through the WP230. With a high vertical and horizontal pumping capacity and reliable performance, the Stihl water pump makes water available on your farm, pumped up from streams, rivers or other water sources near your farm. The robust support frame made from powder-coated steel gives the WP230 water pump additional durability and flexibility during installation. The gas pedal is lockable and safe from water. Install the Stihl water pump and let productivity and profits flow in your farm. Pests are the worst enemies of crops and a nightmare for the farmer, as they seriously damage the crop which has been raised with the utmost care and hard work. Regular and timely spraying of pesticides becomes vitally important. STIHL is committed to bring about a complete transformation in the way farming activities are carried out by bringing the first level of mechanization within the reach of every farmer. Presenting the SG230 Portable Sprayer, the right solution for all the spraying needs of a progressive farmer. With a large spray range and a high volume flow rate, STIHL portable sprayers offer superior performance that meet the high global standards. High quality equipment and accessories add to the overall performance and reliability. Bring home your comrade in arms in the fight against the threat of deadly pests, the STIHL portable sprayer. STIHL Krishi Upkaran.
Soil preparation is a challenging job, especially when the soil is tough. To take this challenge head-on, farmers need a source of reliable power. STIHL Power Tiller. Its world-renowned, advanced STIHL Euro 5 engine ensures less emission and better fuel efficiency. Wet air filter supplies fresh, dust-free air to the carburetor. It has many features that make its operation easy, convenient and fatigue-free. Simple throttle actuation, reliable gear shift mechanism, sideways and vertical handlebar adjustment, front lifting handle, robust gearbox with protective housing cover, transport and running wheels, large capacity fuel tank means you can work continuously for longer durations without any break. PTO function is best suitable for water pumping and spraying applications. Front light is provided for field operation at night. Large working width and high depth capacity helps in operations like intercultivation operation, soil cultivation, turning the soil, weeding, aerating and making rows for plantation in the different farming fields. This means higher productivity. STIHL Power Tiller comes in two models: MH610 6 HP, MH710 7 HP. When you are looking for a high performance, reliable power partner, look no further than STIHL Power Tiller.